Hey, content creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 AI tools that will revolutionize the way you create content. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media enthusiast, these tools are designed to make your life easier and your content more engaging. So, let's jump right in. Best 7 AI tools for content creators. Segment 1. AI writing software. First up, we have AI writing software. Tired of staring at a blank page? These tools use advanced algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging content in seconds. Let's take a look at our top pick. Tool 1. Writer's Flow. Writer's Flow is not just a writing tool, it's your creative companion. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI, it understands your writing style and helps you craft compelling articles, blog posts, and more. Say goodbye to writer's block. Segment 2. Graphic Design AI. Next on our list is Graphic Design AI. Elevate your visuals without breaking a sweat. Whether you are a design pro or a beginner, these tools can turn your ideas into stunning graphics effortlessly. Tool 2. Design Genius. Design Genius is a game changer for graphic design. From social media posts to professional presentations, this AI tool suggests layouts, color schemes, and elements, turning your concepts into visually appealing masterpieces. Segment 3. Video Editing AI. Now, let's talk about video editing AI. Editing videos can be time-consuming, but with these tools, you can achieve professional-level edits with just a few clicks. Tool 3. Clipmaster Pro. Clipmaster Pro is the go-to AI tool for video editing. It automates tedious tasks, like cutting and transitions, leaving you with more time to focus on your creative storytelling. Let's see it in action. Segment 4. Social Media AI. For our fourth spot, we have tools that harness the power of social media AI. Boost your online presence, analyze trends, and engage with your audience more effectively. Tool 4. Social Sphere Insights. Social Sphere Insights is a comprehensive social media analytics tool. It not only tracks your performance but also suggests the best times to post, trending hashtags, and even predicts content that will resonate with your audience. Segment 5. SEO Optimization AI. SEO is crucial for content creators. Our fifth pick focuses on SEO Optimization AI. Get your content noticed by the right audience and climb the search engine rankings effortlessly. Tool 5. SEO Boost Pro. SEO Boost Pro takes the guesswork out of SEO. It analyzes keywords, suggests improvements, and even predicts the performance of your content. Let's see how it can enhance your content's visibility. And there you have it, the best 5 AI tools for content creators. From writing to design, video editing to social media, these tools are your secret weapons for staying ahead in the game. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow content creators. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching.